continues to spotlight Asia Wilson's debut signature shoe with the upcoming A1 ASW colorway, set to make waves during All-Star Weekend 2025. Designed for big kids, this edition trades boldness for elegance, featuring soft mesh and pearl-like overlays in creamy beige and warm gray, reminiscent of oyster shells. A gradient midsole and translucent outsole enhance the oceanic theme, while metallic swoosh and heel details add a refined touch. Unlike the high-energy Topaz Gold, this version reflects poise and polish, aligning with Asia's return to the all-star spotlight. Despite its style-forward look, it retains high-performance elements like sculpted zoom cushioning and layered midfoot support, ensuring it's game-ready for young athletes. The Nike A1 ASW is expected to be a standout in Nike Basketball's women's lineup this fall. Priced at $95. Official images have been revealed ahead of the launch, with availability expected on Nike.com and select retailers.